Okay. I received this, but the sounds do not sound good. Alright. Let's open it up. This is the Warbirds series. I have the Trojan, I have the Corsair, and this is the third one in the series. This time, instead of Banggood, I decided to try out another hobby store. It's called Monkey Hobby. Is the name? The Monkey Hobby. And it was slightly cheaper, and I was not in a hurry. I knew it was going to take a long time, but hopefully, maybe it was just this one making the sound. I'm hoping this was the only thing that was making the sound.
Yeah, hopefully.
Okay, well, the rest is intact.
Yep, seems good.
Okay, so it looks like it is all one piece. That's good. I've been waiting for this. This is the third one in the series. The instruction manual. Do you like the colors?
Yeah.
And on the back we have the hardware package, which includes, which includes the landing gear. In this case, just two main gear, one under each wing. Oh, you have to see this. Seriously, you have to see this. They have been decreasing the size of the screwdriver. I used to call these little handy dandy Phillips screwdriver, and this one, in agreement with the team of micro flyers, it is a micro screwdriver. 4 little screws, probably 2 for attaching the landing gear and 2 spares, and USB charging adapter, and a spare propeller. And with the spinner, red spinner. And let's get the plane out. Well protected, I'm glad. You never know what it sees during shipment, right? You never know. And of course the battery is here, always packed in the battery bay. Bunny. Miss Kentucky State, okay. So, looks like the landing gear will come over here, and those screws will hold them in place. So this will come like this. Just to show you, there's a little hole that goes into that hole. If I can make it fit. And then once it goes to the hole, there is this larger hole for the screw, which holds it in place. I'm just going to do that later. Let's put the other landing gear in place as well. Again, same way. It says hey, this doesn't say anything, so I like that these sides facing out. The retainer side. Tight, nice and tight. So I'll put the little screws later, but here it is. And let me bring its friends. So here are the other Eachine airplanes. And this doesn't even says Eachine, it says Volantex RC. These are all from EXHOBBY or EXHOBBY. think that's the main company, produced, designed, and backed by EXHOBBY. I'm glad it came one piece, so it's, you see this has been, box has been crushed. But here we have the whole fleet now. F4U Corsair, P51D Mustang, and T-28 Trojan. All 40mm series wingspan. So hopefully the maiden of this will be soon. And then one of these days we should be flying it together, right?
Yeah.
You and your brother Bora and myself, each flying one of these together for a dogfight. How does that sound?
Sure.
That will be fun, right? Alright, so what I'm going to do next is charge up the battery, get everything ready, and see you outside on the field for the maiden flight. Thank you for watching. Come back to our channel. Take care. Stay safe. Bye bye.